Suppose the patient is insured by some insurance company and he goes to the billing department for seeing is the bill. So you can go into the billing department, open the inpatient invoice. I'll open a bill here. So here you can see that this is the insurance which is and this is the insurance company who have sponsored this insurance. So this is the provisional bill which we can give to the patient. So it is not basically reflecting in the financial module. If you want to reflect in the financial section in all the accounts, so you can create the invoice using this button, and the system will give an form, or will create a bill, a formal bill which will be reflected in the financial and each and every account, and it will be for the insurance company. So system will generate basically two types of bill. First bill will be for the insurance companies, and second one will be for the patient. So it depending on the credit limit or the insurance limit which is insurance companies are giving to this patient. So you can specify, or the bill will be generated for the patient depending on that insurance limit which is basically insurance company is giving to that patient. So as you can see that this is the amount which is basically patient is going to give to the billing department. From here you just need to specify the date for the patient, and from here you can specify the date, and after you just need to add it. So the system will prompt you to give the details of the cash payment or the whatever payment you are doing it, exact amount. So I'll add it, and system will prompt to here like what you want to pay. So this is, I'll just copy balance due. So this is the balance due. From here it is got copied here, and you just need to add it so that it will be added, and I'll add it so that it will be added into the system. So it will be get saved into the system. Now as soon as it will get saved, now here you can see that system automatically updates itself by insurance billed amount. So after updating its insurance bill, you can see that this got it got insurance, it's got paid, and it's got billed over into the system. So you can update the due date, and you can update it, and after that if you as it got updated into the system, so if you now the remaining amount which the patient have to pay to the hospital, so using that you can just create invoice for the self payment which is patient is going to pay apart from the insurance bill. So you can create the another invoice using this button again, and system will populate it for all the charges or for all the treatment done on the patient. So depending on that, patient will pay that bill for that amount. So you can see that as the patient's bill was I'll show you that the patient's insurance limit was around 1,350 rupees, and the self-pay amount is around 1,04,691. So we have already created a bill for 1,350. Now the self will create another bill for 1,04,691 rupees. So we'll open this invoice or in this bill again, and from here we can add this bill so that it will be recorded into the system, and it will reflect into all the billing, all the modules, all the financial modules, so that it will be reflected in the financial accounts of the hospital, so that we can, when we will generate the reports, it will be shown in different reports. So after adding all these details, you just add it into the system after giving the due date or the current date on which he is going to pay the amount. So as soon as I'll give this, I'll just have to give the amount he is going to pay. You can also partially pay the amount. So I have just paid overall amount, and I'll add this so that it will be added into the system, and it will, as soon as it will added, now it got billed. Here you can see that it got status is affected as billed, and here in the upper part you can see that is a partial paid. So this was basically the insurance bill for this patient. So here you can pay the bill. Here you can pay the insurance bills for the patient, and two bills will be collected for the insurance companies as well as for the patient. So this was the insurance bill. You can also pay the partial amount as well as you can also pay the advance payment, which we have already seen in the last presentation or another slide.